Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT. The Trail Boss is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks and mirrors, as well as drivability, push button 4x4, automatic headlights, fog lights. Truck does have cruise control as well as your heated steering wheel. 7 kilometers, brand new vehicle. We have the column shifter as well as push button ignition, nice large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated chiller braking system, USB ports and outlets there as well. This Trail Boss has the all black interior, dual glove box locking bottom, Bose audio speakers throughout, and our heated leather seating up front. Taking a quick look at the Trail Boss from the exterior here, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires, well-known, respected tire in the industry. Making our way to the front here, we have our color-matched door handles with keyless entry on the front driver's door, Z71 off-road badging. The Trail Boss does come with that factory 2-inch lift up front, making it for those big tires. At the front of the Trail Boss, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, as well as the Z71 off-road grille, color-matched grille and bumper, and LED lighting, fog lights. You have rear tinted privacy windows, making our way to the rear. Trail Boss decal. At the back, you do have the color-matched bumper with dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow pack. We have the multi-function tailgate as well and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats do have in-seat storage as well as they are car seat ready. Vehicle has the rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. USB ports in the back of the center console. This is a crew cab truck, so tons of room as well in the rear. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick walk-around video on the brand new Silverado Trail Boss. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.